Welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how actually you can update any data in your database. Here you can see I have 10 vir here, but I want to update this name as Tanvir according to our email TAN. So it's TEN. So let's update this. So I want to say here a PHP script like this, and inside it I want to update, right? So I need server connection. So for the connection I will go here and let me just copy from here everything, and I will paste it here. So I have done my connection. So connection is done here, and now I want to do the query. So let's say I want to add dollar, and I will say update query, or say let's say I just want to say here SQL. So I want to update, right? So update query is update, our table name is student, right? Because I want to update student table. Let's say here student table. So I want to update student. So I'll say here update student, and I will say set. Let me just write it in capital letters. So I will say here set, and our first column name. So I want to set the column name here. There is name. So I will say name equal to, I want to change it, right? So I will say here Tanvir, and then the second column is email. So I don't want to change actually email, so I will say here just name, and then I will say where id, I mean this id equal to 2, right? So I'll say where id equal to 2, and we just have to close it. So this is our code. Okay, so we have to use here actually single quote. Now everything is done. Here we have just write our SQL for the update query. Now actually want to execute the query. So I will say here result equal to, I want to execute, so I will say mysqli query, and I want to pass 2 parameter here, and one for the connection and another one is our SQL, and everything is done. And if the result is, I mean if our query executes successfully, I mean our result is done, then we will redirect to the fetch data.php here, because here we actually we have shown all the data, right? So I will say here header function, and here I will say location is fetch data.php. Now let's see, I want to run this PHP file. So I will go to the test.php project, and here you can see we have a PHP file update.php. If I click on here, then you can see our name is updated Tanvir, and if I refresh here you can see Tanvir, and now it is Tanvir. Okay, so everything is done. Now this is how actually you can update. So I hope you understand. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.